You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names pronounced, stay tuned. Yes, I said correctly, but there are different correct pronunciations of these names in Norse countries, from Northern Europe, also Hebrew. I believe the pronunciation is as Eila. Eila. Now, in English-speaking countries, in the UK and in the United States in particular, or Australia, so more often pronounced as Eila. Eila. So you have Eila or Eila. Yes, I know, it's confusing. Both pronunciations are indeed used. How do you pronounce it? Where are you from as well? Let us know, let everybody know in the comments, so we know a little bit better how you pronounce it and where you're from and how it's pronounced in different countries. Eila or Eila, let us know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.